Today we are going to make a code for smart light. Let us start. So first block that you will be using is called generate code. You will get that block from robot. This block you have to use. After that you have to go to variables and create a variable called a. After that you have to take a forever block that is going to act as a loop. Then you have to take an if block which is going to check if your light sensor gets the light or not. For that we need to add an operator, that is this one, which is going to check the value of the light that our light sensor is getting. So we are going to place this light sensor in the front, and after that we are going to take ultrasonic sensor and we are going to give the values of all the RGB colors as 0 because we haven't sensed anything yet. Again, let's go to variable and create one more variable called b. You add this block down over here and change it to b, and the value for b will be our sound sensor value. Next up we are going to take this block, condition block if, and the condition that we are going to check if our sound sensor value is more than 600 or not. So let's just write 600 over here and just copy paste this, click on right button and duplicate the block, put it over here. Now if our value is exactly same as this, so instead of this block what we can also do is we can put the variable, because variable b contains the value of a sound sensor. Now when the value of our sound sensor is more than 600, it is going to change the value of a by 1. Coming up next will be a new condition which will be over here. For that we need operators. Now when the condition is if a mod 2 is equals to 1, whatever value we have in a, is it going to be in mod by 2 and it's going to give us answer 1, then it is going to perform the particular code. For that we'll just duplicate this. Let's just take ultrasonic port, remove the rest, and over here if the condition is true we are going to change this number to 255, that is at its maximum strength. You can either write it or you can select it from the drop down list. Next up we are going to add a wait block. Now we are going to add a wait block, and the second block will be a wait until. So it is going to wait until again the sound sensor value goes till 600. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this block, put it right inside over here, change this value to 600. Let's go back to robots again and take sound sensor block. Now over here we need to add a else condition as well. So we are going to remove this part and change this block to else block. Similarly, what we are going to do again in this else is we are going to duplicate this part and place it inside and change the values back to 0. And in the else part we are not going to wait. And we are going to put this in the else block where the value of all three colors is at its all-time high. If the light sensor is not more than 300, the values are going to be high. If it is if it is more than 300, then the values are going to be 0. So this is the code for smart lamp, and you will be using light sensor and sound sensor to work along with it. Let's see how it works.